looks like solid wood. I guess it is particle board with veneer. And then these are the shelves. The shelves are good. Found this dresser for free on the side of the road. Gonna repaint it. Maybe a cream eggshell sort of color. Change the handles. All the drawers are in good shape. I think I'm gonna sand this down and then hit it with a coat of primer. And then hit it with a coat of paint, maybe 2 to 3 coats of paint. And then a coat of poly for protection. We're gonna head to Home Depot to get the supplies, but I need to take the measurement of this knob so we can find a replica or something that fits in the same spot, at least, you know. It looks like I just need a screwdriver, hold it from one side. Easy.
That's your step. Tools. Let's try a little bit. It's working. I think I should be able to do this with my hand. What is that? Keep that for later.
So we just got back from Home Depot. I got a bunch of these guys. I think I'm gonna replace these knobs with these, and if I don't like them, then I'm just gonna sand these and use the original knobs. But right now, I'm gonna sand down the whole dresser. I don't know what this stuff is, but this has to go. Here we go. Guess it's not plugged in. Shit. So I don't know what type of wood this is. Getting in the grooves is kind of difficult, but it just takes a little bit of patience. I need to put a mask on. Getting all these sawdust boogers. The birds sound beautiful though. Let's work. The next day, I cleaned up a little bit, sanded this down a little bit, got some coat of primer. So earlier, I had this whole thing taped off with this tape, and it says here, very clearly, that not recommended for painting purposes. Grace made that clear to me, and I fought her tooth and nail about it, and I decided that in the end I should just do it right, like she said. So here we are, retaping. Thanks, babe. trying to save money and avoid buying one of those paint trays. Just use one of these little Tupperware containers. Didn't go so well. Couldn't spread the paint. I couldn't wipe the paint off the side. I couldn't really... Yeah, it fucking sucked. So no need for a paint tray. Just use some leftover cardboard. Make sure you don't step in it though.
What are you doing now?
Last night I sanded these grooves, but I didn't blow out the sawdust, so it sort of got caked up.
So you gotta blow them?
Excuse me?
You gotta blow them?
No, I forgot to blow them.
Progress check.
Pretty good.
Yeah, they look good. Almost primed? What coat is this?
I guess this is like the third-ish / second coat. After this, I'm gonna take a break on these and then use the rest of this primer to finish that guy up. All the leaves and all the pollen are starting to stick to it.
Yeah, that's annoying. This is a bad thing about doing stuff outside. Good side is it feels great out. Bad side, everything sticks to it. And it looks like it's gonna rain.
Alright, I just finished priming all of the drawers and the dresser outside. I'm gonna go to Home Depot to get the first coat of paint. So unfortunately, I forgot to get footage of me painting the drawer, as well as doing the poly layer and the golden knobs that we got from Home Depot. But this is how it turned out. This is the final product, and I was super, super happy with it.